I will never look at fruits the same way after learning these sugar-friendly options. Your new favorites are just a second away. First up, the juicy oranges and apples. They're both delicious and diabetes-friendly. Peaches and avocados. Yes, creamy avocados are fruits. Berries like blackberries, strawberries and raspberries. Tiny but mighty in antioxidants. Next we have kiwi and grapefruits. Tangy and refreshing. Cherries and pears. Sweet treats that won't derail your diet. Apricots and watermelons. Hydrating and satisfying. Plums and bananas. The perfect on-the-go snacks. Cantaloupe and grapes. Snackable and packed with nutrients. Guava and lemon. Zesty additions to your meals. Papaya and pineapple. Tropical delights that are low in sugar. Finally, cranberries and mango. Yes, even mango can fit into a diabetes-friendly diet. So, ready to enjoy these delicious fruits while keeping your blood sugar in check? Give them a try and feel the difference.